So, how do you guys feel about a bit of disco now? Okay. Might you be up for a little bit of crowd participation? That was not good enough. Come on, there's a lot of you. You up for a bit of crowd participation, South Shields? Of course you are. Let's give it a go. Okay, we're going to start off. We're going to start off just with some disco arms, okay? You ready? Right to the back, South Shields, I can see you all. Come on, the sun is out. The sky is blue. What have you got to lose? Looking good, guys. It's murder on the dance floor, but you better not kill the groove. DJ, gonna burn this goddamn house right down. Oh, I know about your kind. And some, I'll have to